It's the 2012 NAB show. Hello again, everyone. I'm Pyburn of the Pulse Network here having a conversation about the great content shift taking place across the industry right now. Now, we're talking about the great content shift with Marc Hamaker, Senior Manager Industry Marketing at Autodesk. Marc, welcome to the show. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Thanks for having me here, Tyler.
Excellent. Without a question. So let's just kind of jump right into it, really.
Sure.
One of the things that we're seeing right now is all the different shifts, especially the shift in technology. So how have some of the new and shifting technologies really changed your approach, especially when we're talking about distribution?
Well, I think distribution is kind of interesting. There are two ways to look at it. I mean, people are distributing content in more places than ever. Where Autodesk expertise lies is in sort of finishing and taking content and creating really high value content. So I think one of the things we've looked at is a move away from a traditional model. If you look back even 5 years ago, you really had only one place to put really high quality content, and that was through a traditional broadcast channel. Whereas today, we find that 70% of our customers are telling us that they're delivering to places that aren't traditional broadcasts. So that's still there, but I think people are distributing their content in more places than ever. For us, I think technology's changed a lot, not just in how our customers distribute content that they create with our products, but even in how we approach getting our content to our customers. So, we've moved to a model where the internet has really become a great channel for connecting with people, whether people are downloading trials of our software, whether we're putting all of our tutorial and training content online. Basically, we've just found people want to consume, learn, and do their business online, and we've tried to change our model, our products, really how we go to market with everything we do to meet that need.
One of the things I find interesting, I've really been talking to everybody about this, is that it's a fun time, it's an interesting time, but it's also a challenging time, really, especially when you talk about in particular that everybody wants to view it online, but it's not only online. They want it on their tablet, they want it on their smartphone, they want it everywhere at that point in time. What are some of the challenges for you when we're talking about that?
The way we get our content out is relatively easy, because it's easy to create sort of content for consumption at the level of a video tutorial. Where I think it's really interesting, though, is what our customers need to do, because what we're finding, and we spend a lot of time talking to not just our customers, but to the people that are our prospects, the people we want to be our customers. And we ask them a lot about what their challenges are, too. And this comes up time and again, which is their biggest challenge is around time. So what I think has happened is it's really easy to create amazing content. Like, there are great cameras from DSLRs that shoot HD video to RED cameras. Where people are having trouble, and where I think our solution comes in, is how to create content that's very compelling for distribution through all of the different content channels that are out there now. So I think that's really the challenge that we see that we can help people with, which is taking this amazing content that's easy to acquire, giving them a really efficient and fast way to put it together, and then letting them distribute it through these different channels. So I think that's really where our expertise fits in this pipeline.
I was going to say let them distribute it how they want it, because it is in fact how they want it and when they want it. Excellent stuff from Marc Hamaker of Autodesk. I am Pyburn of the Pulse Network. I want to thank you guys so much for being part of our conversation leading up to the 2012 NAB show.